Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and verifying it's dead. You must confirm with a non-contact tester. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can work safely at ceiling height. Remove the existing trim by compressing the retention springs or twisting out the baffle. Keep springs handy. You'll next expose the can housing and wiring. Make sure the replacement LED retrofit or bulb matches the can dimensions and wattage. This first move sets the stage for a clean, safe swap. You'll now handle the wiring and retrofit. First, disconnect the old socket or adapter and note which conductor was hot, neutral, and ground. Take a photo if unsure. Connect the new driver or socket to the house wires using proper connectors. Strip 3/8" if needed and twist until snug, then tape for insurance. Once wired, tuck the driver into the can or use the provided housing. Compress the retrofit springs and push until the trim seats flush. Make sure the lamp has vent. You finish by restoring power at the breaker and testing the fixture at the wall switch. Look for immediate illumination and listen for buzzing. Once lit, press the trim inward so it seats evenly and adjust aiming if it's an adjustable can. Monitor the light for about 10 minutes to confirm no overheating or flicker. If something goes wrong, recut power, recheck your connections and driver compatibility. Swap in a known good bulb or driver to isolate whether the lamp or wiring is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.